Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, a very cool song here from DRAX Project, cool. And this song is called Atmosphere. So we have this 3 chords that goes around and around in different ways here with a picking pattern. And we can also use the strumming pattern. Otherwise, that's what's happening from the beginning till the very end. We love that. Alright, so let's start this one up. No need for any cape on this one. And we have A, B minor, and G to learn. So the first chord is A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. The next chord is the B minor. So we have this bar on the second fret. You bar all strings there except from the last E here in the bass. So from bottom up, it's 5 strings. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord is the G. Sounds beautiful like that. And it's 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time because we want that note to be open. Sometimes we use a 3rd on B string. This time it's open. And the final note is the 3rd on the E string. Alright, so let's look at this cool picking pattern here. It goes in this order, like we learned the chord A, B minor, and G. Alright, so the first part is the A. I suggest that you hold this grip. You don't have to hold all these 3 like this, standard chord. It's enough with this only. So 2nd on G and 2nd on B. You're gonna play open A together with 2nd B. Then 2nd G. Then open B and 2nd B. All right. And then we have the next chord. It's the B minor. What I suggest you to do here is to just slide out here with your little B string finger on the 3rd fret B string now. Keep the G there on the 2nd position. And then you're gonna add with the index finger the 2nd A. So this is the new grip. All right. You're gonna play the 2nd A together with 3rd B. Then 2nd G. Then open E. And with that finger using on the 3rd B string, you go down and hit it on the 2nd E. So it will be, again, 2nd A together with 3rd B, then 2nd G, open E, and 2nd E. All right, and then we have the G finally, and that is 3rd on E string in the bass together with open B. Then you give the 3rd on E another kick there. Then you go to the 2nd G and open B. And that is the G. You play the G for 2 rounds, so and that is the melody here. So slowly, 1 chord progression will sound like this. Tempo. Now you can add this to this next level with the beat. All right, so the beat comes here on the A right before or right after the open B string. So, and then you hit the last note, the 2nd B. So, and on the B minor, it comes right after the open E string. So, and on G, it comes right after the 2nd G string. You play that for 2 rounds, though. This is not necessary with the clap, but you give that rhythm. And together on one chord pressure round, it sounds like this, a little bit slower. And so on. All right, so a cool melody there with the clap included also if you want. Now let's take a look at the strumming pattern. You can use this instead of or go back and forth with it. So we'll have the A to start with, of course. One strumming around, it's down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's one round. So again, you're gonna play A for one round, B minor for one round, and G for two strumming rounds. It goes like this, slower. And with standard tempo, a couple rounds, it sounds like this. Yeah, took off a little bit there. But anyway, that is DRAX Project Atmosphere. Give it a try. A very cool song to use. And not that many people perhaps heard this before, so you can really impress some people with a new song. Very easy on guitar. So good luck with this one, guys. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know. Thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet. Spread the word about Gordon Guitar. Love your support, guys. So till next time, play tuned.